Hi, we're Justin and Lindy Pardee, and we just went to the Marriage Fusion Workshop.
It was really awesome. I guess like 2.5 days ago, when we came into the workshop, we felt like we were both in really great places as individuals. We've done a lot of growth over the last couple of years in our own lives, but when you looked at our marriage, there was some separation. Like we were both moving forward, but not together.
Yeah, and I feel like being at this workshop really through the
Like mini lectures.
yes, the mini lectures and conversation with other couples, we got to really find some tools for measurement on kind of where we're at, and then we got some other information on how to put together our vision, but not only just like a direction, but strategies on how to get to our destination. And we're both really excited about it.
Yeah,
we're
seriously,
like
super pumped.
Yeah, super pumped to put it into practice and to come together and be like, okay, where are we at? How are we doing on this and this and this and this? And I feel like we really have the tools it takes to get to our vision.
The Fusion Workshop is awesome. We highly recommend it.
Highly recommend.